What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to write a professional email to increase your rate for per hourly with the freelancer or the client that you've been working with. So for that I'm going to show you guys how to draft the right prompt for that. Here I have drafted the prompt which will act as a B2B copywriter and freelance strategist. What it will do, first I have given all the details regarding my profile and what I've been doing. I have set the tone. You can pause the video and see and read it all there together. How it will open, how the pivot will go, will have the details will go, the reassurances, call to action, and I have given the details about the client from here and the recent milestone that I have achieved with him. So this is the email that has come to me after this drafted prompt that I've given to the Claude AI. Here you will see that the partnership update, engagement rate adjustment effective September 1st. Hi, I want to start by saying how much I value our ongoing collaboration, building our Rebel variety RTOS with the has been genuine, and there are two different responses that you can go with: the formal corporate conversational startup. I think this would do it for me, and this is how I would do it. And by simply giving the prompt to the Claude, you will be able to write it by yourself as well. So see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.